in-Albergue.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's 6:15. Everybody's left, but us. Guess who makes more mess when he unpacks his bag? Leaving in-Albergue. Leaving town, 7:30 in the morning. I think we're some of the last to leave. People get up very early. Heading out of town, down to the river. A long bridge over the Rio Carrion. Carrion River. Another fantastic metal sign. The last water for 17 kilometers. Just an amazing number of swifts, swallows, I don't know which, under this building. Just constant movement. After making us walk on the road, they've now given us a path beside the road facing the traffic, so that's cool. We'll get there. So this is a Roman road, straight as a die.
There were some players that were just known and
Here we go. The last stop, it appears. Do we stop or do we not stop? That is the question. It's busy, busy, busy.
oh yeah.
The river's in Florence. I can't look over her name. But she was a very good cook. But the reason I wanted to mention
So this path is straight as a die. It's a Roman road. We've done about 12 kilometers. You get 17 before you can get another water stop. Good morning, day 16. Got a bit of a sore throat, but it's probably from being in hostels all the time. But it's a long straight day today, just 24k in a straight line. So buenos dias. So yeah, not much to report, but it's a beautiful day, a little bit windy, but we should get there 1-2 o'clock. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Quite a few pilgrims are doing this on a bike, and this sort of day is easy for them. Just a lean-to 14 kilometres in, where people are having a quick rest. There we go. The village appears like a mirage. And there it is, 16 kilometers later. And what everyone is heading towards, the bar. Woo! These are the adobe houses.
Yes. There you go. Good eye, Carol.
So we finished with that wide open space. Now we're just walking on a quite nice path beside the road. Actually one of the nicest sort of paths we've been on. The colours are beautiful. One more. It's still a beside the road walk.
These are arrows, big arrows.
Yes.
You can really see the earth and the straw on this. Coming into the penultimate village for us. There are so many little birds under the eaves and in their nests and in the gaps. Incredible.
Oh. Yeah.
A very small giant eye court. It does have the numbering, so that's okay. Here's our albergue. Wow.
Smash that like button.
Like and subscribe.